Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the SIHOO Mesh Office Chair. They did it again. They came out with one of the best chairs that I tried. I'm talking about mesh chairs. This is not a big and tall office chair. This is not a leather chair. This is an ergonomic, breathable mesh office chair that I have to say that is fantastic. Like, I love every aspect of this chair. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this one supports up to 300 pounds. Assemble process extremely easy. It's gonna take you about like 20 minutes, no more than that. Breathable mesh everywhere, in elastic mesh, which is gonna support all that weight. And also it has a really good, I wanna say, like right here, the headrest, it is adjustable. The lumbar support is just like out of this world. Like these panels right here, they kind of like adapt to the shape of your own body and makes you feel, I'm gonna show you. I have to show you because that is, I have to say that is actually fantastic. Let's take a closer look. So let's start with the cushion over here. This section, super elastic, as you can see, and it's breathable, so you're not gonna have any issues when sitting for long periods of time in a hot day. Then, as you saw before, you can actually kind of like adjust this one to the height that you want. So just like a little bit, or just all the way to the top, or all the way down. And also, what I was just telling you before, this right here, these panels are kind of like the cherry on top. When you're sitting right here, you kind of like adjust to the shape of your body, as you can see over here, and gives you that really nice 90 degrees posture with a fantastic support over here with the springs. As you're gonna see, kind of like over here has a spring. But also another good thing, these are padded and backwards, frontwards, inside, outside. So that's actually fantastic. And you can also adjust the height as well of this one, which is another good thing. But there are a few other features that I really like about this chair. So right here, this one, take a look. You can actually move the seat. If you want, you can separate it from the lumbar support over here, or you can put it back. I think that is so good that you can actually do that and just like get it a little bit forward or just a little bit backwards if you also need. I like it to be super close to the actual lumbar support, so that is how I like it. Of course, like every other chair, you can manage the height of the chair, but of course, another really good thing is now it's locked, I think so it is locked. I'm gonna unlock it right now, and you're gonna see this one right here. It has it has this fantastic recliner. I think that's another good thing on this chair, the recliner with the headrest over here and the lumbar support, and of course adjusting the cushion as well at the bottom. And you can just do this if you want. So now you're gonna see that it's locked in any posture, or you can just do this one more time. Let's actually do it on the, let me actually unlock it. And that's it. And now it's gonna be locked. I'm gonna separate this one a little bit from the lumbar support, and you are all set. This is just a fantastic, breathable mesh chair for your home office experience, gaming, productivity, entertainment, whatever you want. This one is gonna kind of like get you through all those scenarios with the fantastic lumbar support. This one is a must-have. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.